Hi, my name is Rhea and I'm a postgraduate student studying data science at the LSE. The new academic year is just around the corner and it's a really exciting time for all incoming students. I'll be giving you an idea of what you can expect during the onboarding process before you become a fully enrolled student at the LSE. Before you arrive in London, if you're staying at an LSE hall, you can book your arrival slot in advance so that your hall's team is ready to receive you. Once you reach here, you will be given your room key and any other necessary information about living in the hall. I stayed at Sydney Webb House during my studies and there were lots of welcome events scheduled throughout September, so make sure you keep an eye out for these. Additionally, as a full-time student, you are exempt from paying council tax. If you live in an LSE-owned hall, you're automatically exempt from it, but if you live in a privately owned hall, you may need to provide a council tax letter to your hall management team. More information about this can be found on the LSE website. If you are an international student, you will need to collect your biometric residence permit or the BRP from the post office within 10 days of arriving in the UK. Ensure that you have your passport and visa with you when you go to collect the BRP. Most incoming students need to go through a two-part enrollment process. This includes the online pre-enrollment and the campus enrollment. Once you complete online pre-enrollment, you'll be given access to online resources and also a pre-enrollment pass. Official campus enrollment will take place on campus once you reach here. You will be required to show your documents such as your passport, visa and other identity documents in person. You can check for the campus enrollment schedule on the LSE website. Once campus enrollment is successfully completed, you will receive access to on-campus teaching and services and you will be a fully enrolled student at the LSE. You will be able to collect your LSE ID card on the same day, which will also serve as your library card. Finally, Welcome Week will begin on Monday, the 23rd of September till Friday, the 27th of September. There will be loads of events organized by the school, your department, the halls of residence, and by the LSE Student Union, and you can check for all of these on their respective websites. Some of these include orientations, campus tours, and social activities to help you settle in and get familiar with your batchmates. You will also get the opportunity to explore societies and clubs on campus. Make sure to attend these events as they will provide valuable insights about life at LSE. I had attended as many events as I could, including a really amazing boat ride that was organized by LSE Res Life. So make sure you browse through the events and participate in the ones that you like. I hope this video gave you an idea about the things you can keep in mind during onboarding, and I hope the process goes as smoothly as possible for you. This is a really exciting time, so participate as much as you can and have a great time at the LSE.